Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Rahul Kirtikar. I'm glad you all are training with Fitness Talks India and Praneet. I know you all have been asking me for a lot of dessert recipes. So as discussed last time, we'll be doing a very special recipe with our in-house cookies made with Fitness Talks India and Komal. So we are doing a very special keto cheesecake. For that, we'll be crushing down these almond flour cookies. We'll be mixing in some butter in that. And we'll be using cream cheese, which is 200 grams. Cooking cream 100 grams, your whipping cream sugar free 100 grams, little cinnamon powder, little lemon zest, vanilla essence. We'll be using stevia or you can use sugar free, powdered sugar free, right? 5 eggs, little bit of vanilla essence just for flavor and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. We'll be mixing all these ingredients, right? Making a nice batter and putting it on the almond flour cookie base. Then we'll be baking it in the oven. I have preheated the oven, right? So we're going to keep the oven at around 200 degrees. So the cake takes around half an hour, 45 minutes to bake. So the exact time will be around 40 minutes baking time, right? So I'm going to start making the cake now. I'm going to start crushing the cookies for you. Oh wow, lovely. I think I put this in earlier. Nice. We're going to use these lovely almond flour cookies as the base. Okay, so we're going to mix in the melted butter inside this to make a cake base. Right? This is going to be a biscuit base. The cookies are going to be a biscuit base for the cheesecake. Lovely. We're going to mix this nicely and we're going to set it in the mold. Okay, we're going to start setting this as the base. So this mold that I have is detachable, so the base comes out. So it will be easier to demold your cake once it's baked, right? So try using a mold that you can demold. It comes out. The base comes out. Okay, so we have set this cake base, right? So there's almond flour, cookies and butter. Now we're going to be making your main cake batter. So we're adding the cream cheese, right? Little bit of lemon zest. A pinch of cinnamon powder, right? I'm going to whisk this, then I'm going to add in the eggs and whisk. Okay, time to add in the eggs. So guys, please wash the eggs before adding it. So we're adding 5 eggs to this recipe. And that's why we have to add vanilla essence. This is a baked cheesecake, right? Just adding a dash of vanilla essence. Yeah. Just a teaspoon or so, right? Now we'll be adding in the corn flour, just 1 tablespoon, not much. This stabilizes the cheesecake. The corn flour stabilizes, and we're adding some stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flat spoons, 4 to 5 flat spoons of stevia. I like my cheesecake not too sweet. If you all need more sweet, you all can add more sweetness. We'll add the cream at the end. We'll first mix all this. Okay, time to add the cream. So I'm adding in the cooking cream first. Right? So cooking cream around 100 ml. Now time to add the whipping cream. Okay guys, we're done with the batter. Batter has to be nice and smooth, right? Now we're going to put this in the mold, and put it for baking. I'm pouring in this batter. It's going to be a lovely cheesecake. Okay, now we're going to slowly put this in. Okay, hot oven. Right, it looks lovely. This water is really hot, so guys, you need to be careful when you place this in. Perfect. Now we're going to leave this for around 35-40 minutes. Check with a knife whether it's cooked or no, and your cheesecake will be done. Okay, so this is now done. Very careful with this, it's hot, right? Okay. We are going to let this cool. Once this cools down, we're going to refrigerate it and then cut it out. Okay, this lovely cheesecake has cooled down. We're going to cut this out. As I told you, I have a detachable mold, so I'm going to remove all the foil and just slide the cake out. Cut and serve. That's it. Very easy. Okay, cut it a little bit more. Okay, lovely. We're going to cut this cheesecake. Okay. Lovely. See that grain? Perfect. So here you have a keto cheesecake with your almond flour cookie base. So guys, keep getting tuned into us. Watch more videos with us and keep training with Fitness Talks, and follow me at Chef Rahul Kirtikar. All the best.